Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about a few things that have changed here on the channel. Let's start with my channel and where I've been, what I've been up to, what my plans are for the future, and everything like that. So hopefully I have enough battery. Let's get this started. Let's go. Now, let's start out with my channel. As you all know, the whole YouTube thing, it's going to get demonetized. It's not that it matters. It's just not going to give me a push anymore to want to create videos anymore as much as it did before. I mean, I didn't make anything off of YouTube, so it's not like it really matters to me, but it was still a drive to make me want to create more and stuff like that. So that's pretty much down in the drains right now, and that's okay. When I want to make videos, I'll make videos like I am doing right now. I'm pretty sure that my subscriber count's going to go down. I've already noticed within the last couple of videos that I've posted that it's already gone down quite a bit, and I'm not sure if it's just because of the giveaways that I've held before, or if it's just YouTube removing inactive users, whatever. I mean, I'm happy that it's going down. Good, go down. I want people that are going to engage and want to be here. I don't want you to feel like you have to be here because if I hold another giveaway and you unsubscribe and then you resubscribe, whatever reason. I don't want that. If you don't want to be here, go. There are millions of other YouTubers out there that are going to have a more dedicated schedule and are going to push out more videos than I will. But if you want to stay, I am happy to have you here. It really does mean the world to me that you're still here. The next thing is I did change my channel name. As if you were here for a while, you know that my YouTube name was my actual name. I decided to go away from that and go to something that I felt defined me, and that was unpolished. I don't feel that I am perfect. I try to have like the perfect background, the perfect lighting. I try. Right now this is just natural lighting. I've got two lights going on and I've got my windows right here. But I can understand that being too perfect, it comes off as being fake, and that's not what I want. I am not perfect. I do make mistakes and I will never claim to be perfect as much as I try to be. So I felt that unpolished kind of defined me. Rough around the edges. There's things that I can say that are kind of mean or blunt or, you know, very honest. And I'm not a polished diamond and I will not be perfect. I mean, I could try as hard as I want to be perfect, but I feel like I am unpolished. And I feel like that kind of defined the channel. I did search YouTube to make sure that there was no other unpolished type deals, and there are a few other channels that are called unpolished or something of a sort, like unpolished, something of a sort. I'm not sure. I just made sure that there was no channels that were strictly unpolished, and I didn't really find any. I know that there was a channel called Polished, and I believe it's still an active channel that has a few bigger YouTubers on there that actually create content for that channel. And I wouldn't say it's a sponsored type channel, but it's more geared towards sponsored type videos. And I liked their channel. I watched them before. I mean, I'm sure some of you have run across it many of times. I'm not sure if they're current, so I can't really give you that information. But I feel like for me, unpolished defines me. I did a poll on like Twitter asking what others thought, like unpolished MUE, unpolished beauty, and stuff like that, and I just felt like unpolished was it, because I don't want to stick to just one genre, because that's not me. I'm not a one-trick pony. I can't do makeup and that's all I'm going to do, because that's not, I mean, I love makeup, don't get me wrong, but there are other things that I like. I love clothing, I love lifestyle, I love food. I mean, I'm a big girl, I love my food. I like video games and I like all kinds of things. I'm very diverse in everything. I like a lot of things. I can't just be like beauty. I want to stick to beauty. But the main focus on my channel is makeup or beauty related things, and there are times where it will drift away from that and I will get into other things like with my kids and stuff like that. So that's why I changed the name to Unpolished. Everything you will on social media will probably remain the same. I will probably just still be Miss Valerie Hill on every other social media, but here on YouTube it's Unpolished. And I hope you guys are okay with that. If you guys don't like the name, I really don't know what to tell you because I'm keeping it. I like it. But the URL still, I think, Miss Valerie Hill, so you can still search me by Miss Valerie Hill. And I'm pretty sure that I have Miss Valerie Hill tagged in some of my videos. So yeah, with the channel name, I'm hoping that I can maybe become more inclined to want to make videos, since we're now on a term of we're not perfect, so we're not going to be doing perfect videos and we're not going to be perfect. So if I want to record on my phone, it'll be on my phone, you know, because I know that there's times where I just want to be like, okay, I really don't want to set up this entire setup and just go. I just want to go and make a video, and setting up all this and making sure it's light out because it is getting dark now, and making sure that there's perfect lighting is just not realistic for me. I've got 2 kids and I babysit, and finding that time to just want to sit down and do something is hard. It's draining. I know a lot of people out there do it, but I know the bigger YouTubers that I've seen, a lot of them do not have kids. I don't think Jaclyn Hill has kids. I don't think Manny MUA has kids. I don't think Jeffree Star has kids. They don't have kids. They don't have a responsibility other than to make a video and post it. That's it. And I know that there does take a lot of time and effort and energy and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to sit there and say that they don't have busy lives also, because I know they do. But for me, I've got kids and I got a husband and I got all these other things I have to worry about, you know, life. I don't make money off of YouTube, so I still gotta, my life comes first before YouTube, obviously. What I see in the future is I'm hoping to create more content, but I'm not sure what content you guys want to see. I know that there's 5 million different things, different reviews. Let me just grab something. We'll say this. We'll just say this. We're going to review the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. There is probably at least 500 videos of somebody reviewing this. It drives me nuts. And I don't want to be just another person in the pool that's, oh yes, let me review this too because I'm different. It's no. I mean, you watch 5 videos, you get the gist of it. It smells like cucumbers and it has aloe in it. Okay. So I don't know what you guys are wanting to see. I don't know if it's something like specific, if you guys just want to see get ready with me, product reviews, different hair looks. I don't know what you guys want to see. I don't know what you want, and I've gotten no feedback from anybody. I feel like if I'm going to have a good channel and satisfy you guys when you watch, I need you guys to help me and tell me what you want to see, because I can't just sit there and be like, yeah, let me review this Mario Badescu spray for the 1 millionth time because everybody else has already reviewed it, you know. There are a couple of things that on social media that I've dabbled with. I do have a different Instagram. I have my main Instagram, which is me, my Miss Valerie Hill, and then I have just one swatch. And I feel like I know it's not going to get anywhere quickly because I know social media does take time, but on there I do swatches of products. So I've done like the My Little Pony Pure palette, the My Little Pony ColourPop palette, and a few other ones. I don't know which ones. But I've done those on there, so if you guys want to, please go and check that out, and so you can see swatches on my very pale skin. I do wish I did have 2 other color tones. I wish I had a deeper skin tone, and I wish I had a medium skin tone, but I don't have very many friends, and the friends that I do have, they're pale like me. So it would be nice to have that, to be able to incorporate that on my Instagram page. Twitter, I'm not much on Twitter. I mostly am on there to complain. So if you like somebody that likes to complain a lot, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Everything on social media is Miss Valerie Hill. I was going to start doing live Facebook Lives, I guess that's what they're called. I was going to start dabbling into that, just, you know, throwing on makeup and talking to you guys. So you can follow me on Facebook if you have a Facebook, if you're not too young to have a Facebook, I guess. I guess there's an age limit to where Facebook makes you old now. I don't know. It's just what I've read. What else is there? There's not really much anything new with me other than I'm trying to want to get back into YouTube and create content for you guys. And it's taking time. I'm trying to get myself into line. I am working out, trying to eat healthier, and it's not really going that well. But it's the fact that I'm trying, and that's all that matters, right? And what else is there? My husband, he still makes videos on YouTube. He's also cut back because of other stress issues that he's been dealing with. So be patient with him if you are a subscriber of his, because I know he's going through a lot right now and nobody understands it, not even me. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe if you like what I'm talking about. If you want to be subscribed and continue seeing more content put out by me, I hope you do subscribe. I would love to have you here. If you're not wanting to subscribe, I have got plenty of videos of people that you should go follow and subscribe to, help out the smaller channels and stuff like that. I would just love to see the community of smaller channels grow. It's just, sometimes it sucks being part of a small community of smaller YouTubers, and you've got the bigger YouTubers that are just like, screw them. But anyways, so yeah, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, I guess. I don't know, it's up to you. So yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.